All right, so we got a little interruption with phone call. Anyway, let's unwrap this bad boy, and it's an iSP6. Doesn't say that anything with W in it. It's got like some little barcode and a date code just with numbers, and then you got a MAC address. That way, you can try to identify in your network. Made in China. What else is new? Serviced by SD Technologies, and then we got the scan code underneath. The one negative compared to the old one is look how much wider. I mean, we're talking a lot, but the height's practically the same. Put it side by side. Got really a good level. Maybe minutely taller. And then as far as how deep it is, it's a smidgen deeper. But so with the old one, I don't like is the little button here doesn't have that much feel to it. Kind of an odd shape here. So you can light it up. I did a reset on it, so it's not going to show properly. But this little tiny light. Then I think what's connected, you have the little H thing going on right here. But anyhow, let's try to set this puppy up. I'm going to use my iPad Pro. Set this bad boy up. They do have an iPad app, which is nice. A lot of manufacturers or iOS apps do not have an iPad version. Or if you do, you gotta 2x it, make it bigger, and it's not the same. But this will show also the other plugs that I have existing on the network. So I have it in rooms. I have one in the kitchen, 2 in the media area, the entry. I don't have anything here yet. And then the game room, I have 2 there. And in the bedroom, I have 1 device there. So I'm going to be adding one to the media room. This is going to light up the LED lights behind my TV, so it's going to be replacing my old one, which I deleted. So what we're going to do is devices. Okay, and if you have more than one property or location, make sure to choose the right one. Do add device. So if you're on this screen, you can only add a home. And scenes, that's a little bit too complicated. Rules, I could show you that later. That's just, I have one of the switches turned on and off by itself in the evening to save energy. So we're going to do add device. Make sure it is connected to power. We recommend a reset before attempting to set up process. Wait for a few seconds and then push and hold for 12 seconds the button. But I'm not going to do that because it's brand new, so I think I will be fine. And then right now it is searching for a device in the area. As you can see, it found it. So you just click continue, and so you can see what's going on here. That's the Wi-Fi, and that's the one with the power. Actually, it failed. That's actually, it's partly my fault. Need to be connected to 2.4 to set it up. So do that, enter my passcode, even though you don't know where I live, but let's do that. But once you have it set up, then you can use 5 gigahertz, which is faster in general. Okay, so we're connected to my router 2.4. Let's go back. Let's try this again. Add a device. Click next. Searching. That's it right there. And I don't know how it gets this name, but later you can change it. Allow access. Obviously you have to. So this has the large button, which I like, and then the indicator lights on the side that are separate with Wi-Fi and power. Very simple, easy to understand. Okay, looks like it's solid, so now we're just waiting for the app to do its thing. There we go. And because I have a iPad with the camera, boom, simple as that. I don't even know if it gives you the option to type it in, but it's improved much than it has to the past. So you can, this just helps you recognize the plug for it to work better or something like that. Like if it's a light or fan, all these, it changes the icon beside the device, as you can see here. So I want to do video because it's connected to something related to the TV, even though it's kind of decorative, but I don't think it really matters. But I'm just gonna choose video. I click next, and I'm gonna label it to what it turns on and off. It's called Dream Scene. Dream Scene. Okay. Then next, and then it's in the media room. Okay. And that is it. Looks like it added to the list. So let's see. Click it on. And if you had something plugged in here, it would turn on, but clearly power is being supplied. This shows when it's on. And if you click the little eye, it will tell you the power state history, different times it was on and off, which is really nice. Connected to iHome Cloud and HomeKit. In use, no, I don't know what that means. And then you can check to see if there's an update from the firmware. It's all up to date, so it's already shipped, all up to date. Gotta like that. And then you can change the room or the service type, which again is just for labeling purposes. Doesn't really matter. And that's about it. Now you can identify the device. So what it does is toggles it on and off. And then you can add a rule. And then I can initiate remote control pairing. So we could do that too. We go back to the Home tab. It should have added the third one to the media room, and you can see it did. So let's use the app to turn it off. And you can see it did pretty damn fast. Doesn't have anything to do with the iPad being so close to the switch. It's all just doing on the Wi-Fi. So I find it's more responsive and quicker than the old one actually. So alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to keep this short. The rules are pretty self-explanatory. Highly recommend this. Give it a big thumbs up. Again, you can use it with your Amazon Echo to turn this on and off hands-free. So it's probably the most versatile smart plug, I believe, on the market, working with the most platforms out there. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you like this review and like to recommend this product, please email them a link of my video. And please subscribe. I would be doing a lot of videos with a lot of really cool, interesting things. And give me a thumbs up if you like. It's just my second video that I've done, so I'm new to this and look forward to all the great reviews I will be doing in the future. Hope you have a great day. Bye.